Guys, what's going on? Adrian here with Dickason Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas. And what I have in here next to me is a 2023 Chevy Equinox RS. Now, the feature that I want to talk about is the fact that your vehicle does come with a remote start. And if it does, a couple of things happen. So for one, the way to do it is you have to lock the vehicle. You hold this button down. The vehicle comes on, right? Now, the one thing I love about this vehicle is that it knows that it can only be on for about 15 minutes. After that, the vehicle shuts off. Now, if your vehicle is equipped with heated seats, which this one is, couple things. Not only would it keep your engine running and making the vehicle warmer, but it also have those heated, the vents blowing hot air, keeping the cab warm. So by the time you're ready to come out. Now, another thing that I love about the vehicle, which is probably my favorite one, is the fact that the heated seats come on. So the cab's hot, the motor's hot, and your seats are hot. Now, if you're equipped with the heated steering wheel, boom, that would also be engaged. So, cool feature about the RS LTs and up with the remote start, and pretty much just anything that Chevrolet puts remote starts. And if it's equipped with heated seats, then it will work. So, hey, just wanted to brag about that. All right, thank you.